Okay, hello, welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Different angle because this bike is so tiny. I thought I'd just get down beside it to show you how small it is. And I've written down a few notes on the bike to tell you, which is that it's a Yamaha Chappy 80. It's first registered on the 29th of 5th, 1985 in Ross. It's an original Ross's Motorcycles, which is an original Cork bike. It's original from Ireland. It's 37 years old. It was first registered as a demo bike in Ross's Motorcycles in Carroll's Quay, Cork, and has had 3 owners since then only. And the last owner has owned it since 1997. And for the last 15 years, it's been stored underneath someone's staircase where it's kind of sat and left it like this. It's a project bike that we're selling out, so it's for someone else. There's compression, there's all the bits and bobs, it's all there. It's fairly original and nothing real missing off it. So it's going to make a nice project for someone that's looking for one of these very rare bikes and something interesting. It's a fairly easy project bike as well because of the style of bike that this is. Everything will just bolt off and bolt on. So it's a nice little project for someone out there, and I think you might like it too. So let's move on to the visual analysis now. Okay, so here's the visual analysis to show you kind of how original it is. First thing I might try and show you is the compression in the bike. There we are. So there's compression in the bike, which is good to see. You've got front mud guard, your indicators, your front headlamp, your speedo, your right hand side mirror. You have an original key. You have the frame, the engine, the Kickstarter. The exhaust is kind of rusted out of it. The rear mudguard is actually good condition. Underneath you have can't release the seat, I might do that later. It's an 8751 Ki old reg. Rear tire cracking. You still have the original chain guard, which is rare to see. The flick switch here. Yamaha engine. 21,000 kilometers stating on the speedo. That's her. Just a little Yamaha Chappy 80. Happy as Larry. Looking for a new owner, someone to restore her back to where she should be for these rare little bikes. So that's it now. Let's move on and away from this video. So if you have liked it, please leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching. If you do want to reach out to us again as well, our websites are Facebook is Retro Bikes Dublin, Instagram is also Retro Bikes Dublin, and our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com.